What is Sanatan Dharma? Where did it originate and what does it mean? An ancient verse from the epic Mahabharata has been widely used in various Indian households and even in television series. The verse says, "Whenever there is a decline in righteousness and an increase in unrighteousness, at that time I manifest myself on earth." This implies that when righteousness declines, the divine manifests itself on earth. But what is the definition of righteousness, and how would we determine its decline? Numerous interpretations of righteousness exist, yet no singular definition seems to encompass all. Lately, a new debate has sparked around the concept of Sanatan Dharma. What exactly is Sanatan Dharma? Is it another name for Hinduism, or did Hinduism originate from Sanatan Dharma? Let's delve into this today. If we examine the Gita, Ramayana, and Mahabharata, we find various definitions of righteousness. In the Mahabharata, Dhritarashtra, one of the characters, refers to the battlefield as the land of righteousness, implying that the war of Mahabharata was a battle between righteousness and unrighteousness. A Sanskrit verse written in the Supreme Court of India states, "Where there is righteousness, there is victory." This verse appears 11 times in Mahabharata and encourages us to uphold our righteousness. In various verses of the Mahabharata, Lord Krishna states that action is righteousness. For instance, in the second chapter, verse 47, Krishna tells Arjuna to perform his duty as the results are in the hands of the divine. Therefore, if we consider the scriptures, righteousness is defined as action. So, what does Sanatan Dharma mean? Sanatan means eternal or everlasting, and Dharma originates from the Sanskrit root dur, meaning to hold or to sustain. Thus, combining these words, we get the everlasting conduct, which is Sanatan Dharma. The concept of righteousness is not limited to actions. According to ISKCON Educational Services, even objects have their righteousness. For instance, the righteousness of sugar is to be sweet. The first instance of the word Sanatan is found in the Gita, used by Arjuna. In chapter 1, verse 40, Arjuna uses the term Sanatan to refer to the eternal duties of a clan. The term Sanatan appears multiple times in the Gita, where it means everlasting. Krishna also states in the Gita that the soul is eternal and righteousness is action. In summary, Sanatan Dharma refers to the eternal conduct or duties that one must uphold. It is a concept that finds its roots in the ancient scriptures of India, including the Mahabharata and the Gita. This concept emphasizes the importance of action and righteousness, and how they are intrinsically linked. The term Sanatan implies that these duties and conducts are everlasting and eternal, transcending time and space. So when we speak of Sanatan Dharma, we refer to these eternal duties and the path of righteousness that one must follow.